I strongly believe that people who are in power and in positions of leadership should be questioned, and they should be able to answer. Not even should, they must be able to answer. So here's my question, guys. The country has a lot of educated people who are not working. It has a lot of graduates who are either not working or who are doing odd jobs, jobs that they are overqualified for. And the illegal foreigners did not take those jobs. They are not there, really. So what do we do after we've chased away everyone? Sonke sothengisa amaklabishi. That's what I want to know. Because Silana, we are doing odd jobs, but we have degrees. So what happens after labantu bahamba? What about those jobs? Do you see ukuthi we are investing so much energy, we are investing so much power in something that will not help us? Because siyazi for a fact that this has been happening for years. South Africa has been painted as a xenophobic country for these reasons. After every 2 to 3 years, you guys want abantu bangaphandle ukuthi bahambe. Okay, bayahamba, uma baceda ukuhamba kwenzakalani? Makuhamba uyi-one kuchashwa omunye. Doesn't work that way. So sesibaxoshile ke. The graduates, what do they do? Because we deserve. Graduates deserve ukuthi bayosebenza le misebenzi le esinikwe yona. Imisebenzi sayoyifundela kwathiwa sizoyithola. People go to learnerships, ma-skills development we-government yenu yenza ama-skills development, and then people get those skills, get the certificates, but no place to work. Bayosebenzaphi labo bantu labo nalezo certificate that were given by your government for free? 3 months course nyana, young 1.5 nyana, and then it's over. They move to the next people. Nabo bayenza the same thing. So is that how the economy is gonna grow? This thing of selling ama apula and everything, I'm not against it. I'm also a graduate and I'm doing an odd job, yabo. Semsebenzini, I'm a security, but I'm a graduate and I have a degree. Ngayifunda ngayiphasa futhi kanzima. But I'm here. Ngoba awukho umsebenzi. And who's to blame for that? Illegal foreigners? No. It's your government. The problem is our government. And when you say you're gonna replace ANC, yeah, wara wara, those are stories, guys. Those are stories. Ahlakaniphe kakhulu la makhehla. That's number one. Number two, if you remove them, trust me, after every 5 years, you're gonna remove a party kungene enye. After every 5 years, remove a party kungene enye. After ANC ayisekho party that's gonna rule for 2 terms or 3. That's never gonna happen. You know why? Because bonke mabangena bazobalambile and bazobafuna ukudla. So what should we do? Mina, I suggest that we show the ANC that we can do what they did to the apartheid government. And we are more resourced and more crazier than they were at that time. Thina manje sesiku-21st century, sesinzima kakhulu kunabo. Singabasusa, but we should not. We should just show them ukuthi we can. Because you see now, kube nama-mashes a few, and the government started trembling. They started telling us they are gonna change imithetho, they're gonna do that, they are gonna do that. Why don't we march for imisebenzi? Why don't we march ukuthi sicede lezi zinto zama-internships? Because internships are killing our job market. Everyone is an intern for 6 months. Kusuka lapho they change. Bayabaxosha laba, or a contract ends, they find another people for 6 months. You get paid ukuthi wenze umsebenzi ongaholeli. You get paid imali encane ukuthi wenze umsebenzi ophezulu. So what happens after sesibaxoshile? Siyachubeka sonke siyodayisa amaklabishi. Sonke sihlala ne-certificate emageyidini. You guys are not calculating. You guys are seriously not calculating. Aniyiboni nje lento eniyenzayo ukuthi it's useless, waste isikhathi.